getting ready to go for a drive in my truck. I already got my dog and my beer, my keys, everything I need for a drive. No, everything you need for a drive. Everything everyone needs for a drive. Well, all the windows down. It's nice out today. Alright. So anyway, I heard that the coronavirus, I'm South Carolina, anyway. I heard that the coronavirus claimed 1,000 U.S. lives in one day. Freaking unbelievable. Well, guess what? It's all fake. You hear me? It's fake. See, you know what? Haven't you noticed that, it looks similar to AIDS? So I think it's just AIDS, but then they injected it with the flu. Oh. Then they injected it with the flu to make it deadly. Then they just put it in the bat and set it off. Yeah, see, no, I think they're not exaggerating the number of deaths. They just want us all to be dead, so it'll be easier to watch us with the birds. It's like I said, they're not birds, they're government drones. Open your eyes, people. The birds aren't real. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, the birds aren't real. Good girl. Anyway, yeah, the birds aren't real. You know, I have proof. See, y'all remember a couple of years ago when Trump shut down the government? Yeah. And Trump shut down the government in the winter, and when the government was shut down, why don't we see any birds? I just realized I need to buckle in, but yeah, why didn't we see any birds? You know? That's just... But yeah, only birds out when the government shut down. Exactly right. Well, I'm not just repeating myself. I don't remember what I said just 10 seconds ago. And that's what years of farm work will do to you. So, word of the wise, if you plan on becoming a farmer, then make sure that you're prepared to have some memory loss and record your memories. Man, I should have done that. I will. Yeah. Just, yep. That's it. We'll say hi, Siri. Let me some Hazel Tucky beer. That's a bit hard to open though. That's how Hazel Tucky beer is meant to be opened. I make it meant to be opened with your teeth. That's how real countrymen open it. So good. So good. Anyway, yeah. That's what I think. No, I don't think. I know. I know it's just the coronavirus. It's just AIDS injected with flu, so there won't be as many people to manage, to watch and control with the government drones, or the birds, as the government calls them. See, Trump shut down the government because he knew what he was doing. So yeah. Like I said, Trump, he's the only president we've ever had who's cared about us. He's an honest leader. He's honest American, full of honest leadership. He's a real great, honest guy. His whole thing just screams honest. Even his name is honest. His name. Yeah, the J. The J in his name, Donald J. Trump. That J stands for honest. You know, like I spell it in Mexico, like honest with a J. Like they spell jalapeno, 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 jalapeno. Yeah. So yeah, that's proof that birds are not real, and that this whole thing is just so there'll be less people, and it'll be easier for the birds to manage the earth. Alright. See you later, bros.